There was a head-on collision between a Tripura vehicle number TR01AJ1847 and vehicle of SML on Sunday morning. Consequently, a car driver, Lakshman Lal Tarua, was seriously injured. Incident occurred adjacent to Baramura Eco Park. On the last day of the English year 2023, that is Sunday, at 7 in the morning, a car driver was seriously injured in a head-on collision between two cars in the area adjacent to Baramura Eco Park. The injured driver name is Lakshman Lal Tarua. According to incident report, a Tripura vehicle number TR01AJ1847 from Agartala was heading towards Kailanpur when it collided head-on with another vehicle coming from the opposite direction. Consequently, driver Lakshman Lal Tarua was seriously injured. Common people witnessed the incident and informed Telemura Fire Department. The personnel of the fire department reached the spot and rescued the injured car driver Lakshman and brought him to Telemura Sub-Divisional Hospital.
তো কি গাড়ি বা কেমন অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়েছে?
টিপার আর জানি বাড়ি গেছে, এটা মনে বাড়িটা দিয়ে মনে গেছে গা।
একই গাড়িতে আসছিল?
টিপার গাড়ি
এসএমএল গাড়ি নাম্বার আছে না? গাড়িটা
নাম্বার আছে, নাম্বারটা TR01A J1847.
এই গাড়ির ড্রাইভার আসলো হয়?
হ্যাঁ, এই গাড়িটা।
Meanwhile, the doctors on duty at the hospital referred the injured driver to GB Hospital in the capital for better treatment as the driver's leg was broken. Reported by Hiran Moy from Telemura, Chini Khorang.